What's up guys, it's Matt with Revived Builds, and I want to show you how I saved over $100 on this Lincoln Electric welder. Let's check it out. Alright, so this was my welder. An old Clark stick welder. It was a hand-me-down from my dad. I remember using this thing back in junior high. So I thought it was about time to upgrade. So I did a little research and then got slammed with all the marketing Lincoln Electric was doing, and I went with their 140 Weld Pak.
Now I like to be creative in how I can save money, and there were two ways that allowed me to save $140 on this 140 Weld Pak, which runs around $520 at Home Depot. Alright, so the first way was to buy a gift card at a discount from a private party for the store that you're to purchase from. Now in this case, I was searching for a Home Depot gift cards. Now I have two things to say about this. One, it is much easier to do in larger metro areas. And even then, it takes time. So I hopped on Craigslist and searched for gift cards. Now this welder was over $500, so I was looking for a big gift card. And within 2 weeks, I was able to find someone selling a $463 gift card for only $400. That was $63 free right there. Another thing to note with Craigslist, the price is always flexible. I actually worked out with the seller to meet on a time that worked better for him, and he gave me an extra $25 off. So that was just about $90 I saved buying a gift card through Craigslist. Now, the second way I was able to save money was by using a competitor's coupon, such as the Lowe's 10% off coupon. To me, this is a no-brainer when making a big purchase. You can find these in a variety of places, such as mailers or ads, but you can even buy them on eBay for only a couple dollars, which is what I did. So there was another $52.
Well guys, there you have it. Those are the two ways I used to save $140 on the Lincoln Electric 140 Weld Pak. Now, is everyone gonna have the same results? No, but the whole point of this video is to think outside the box when purchasing items, and really not just purchasing items, but in life in general. When you have a problem, there's more than one way to solve it. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, like this type of video, let me know in the comments below, and we'll see you on the next one.